Welcome back to Luxury Vehicles. Today we are going to discuss one of the most iconic and prestigious SUVs in the world, the Range Rover. Known for its perfect balance of luxury, power, and off-road capability, the Range Rover stands as a true symbol of elegance and innovation. Under the hood, the Range Rover offers multiple engine options to suit different driving styles. These include a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with mild hybrid technology producing 395 horsepower, a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine delivering between 523 and 626 horsepower, and a plug-in hybrid variant offering an electric-only range of up to 121 kilometers. All models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive for superior traction and control in all conditions. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. From semi-aniline leather seats to natural wood trim and customizable ambient lighting, everything feels premium. The seating is highly versatile, offering 20 to 24-way power-adjustable options with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Rear passengers can enjoy executive-class seating with individual adjustments, power-deployable tables, and dedicated entertainment screens. At the center of the dashboard is a curved 13.1-inch POV Pro touchscreen infotainment system, complemented by a digital driver display and an optional head-up display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a high-performance Meridian or Meridian Signature sound system that delivers studio-quality audio. The exterior design is both bold and refined. At the front, digital LED headlights provide crystal-clear visibility and feature adaptive technology that responds to oncoming traffic. The rear of the vehicle boasts a sleek, hidden-until-lit LED taillight design integrated into a gloss black panel, giving it a futuristic and clean appearance. Flush door handles, soft closed doors, and gesture-controlled tailgate add to its seamless functionality. When it comes to technology and safety, the Range Rover is packed with advanced features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 3D surround camera system, and terrain response 2 for handling off-road challenges. Additionally, the interior air quality is managed by an advanced air purification system with PM2.5 filtration and CO2 sensing. Every detail of the Range Rover is engineered to deliver comfort, capability, and commanding presence. Whether you're navigating urban streets or rugged trails, it offers an unparalleled driving experience. Subscribe for more amazing videos.